Hey guys, today we're going to show you how we brew our tea at home straight from the tea leaves, and honestly I think this tastes so much better than bagged tea, so if you want you should give it a shot, and if you're too nervous don't worry because it's super easy. So first you're going to start off with collecting your ingredients. So for us that was collecting mint from the backyard. Growing your spices at home also tastes so much better, so if you can do that you should give it a shot. Then you're going to throw that all into the pot. We added Ceylon tea and the mint alongside with some lemon zest. You can try out any different combination of spices, but we're sure that this one works. So maybe for the first time, you can try it this way. And once it's brewed for a little bit, you're just going to pour that into your cups and serve with honey, sugar, lemon, whatever you like to put in your tea. I usually like to add a little bit of milk at the end. You guys should let us know how you guys prefer your tea down in the comments, so that way we can use your guys' ideas too. But yeah, that's super simple, and we hope you enjoy teaing. Bye bye!